Good morning, friends. Welcome to my channel, Prodbug. And in this particular chapter, we'll see some of the advanced topic of the Kotlin, like extension function, infix function, and all these things. So these are really important features, and they are the new features introduced in Kotlin, which are not present in the Java. Okay, so let's see the extension function first. Okay, the base concept in this is that let's say you have some existing code, old, very old existing code, and you want to add some methods, you want to improve the functionality, but you don't want to touch the code base of the existing code. Okay, so this is the logic behind extension function that you want to add some method but on any other style another way you don't want to touch the existing class. Okay, so let's assume that this is Kotlin class b underscore Kotlin class. This is an old class some from your what say old code, and you don't want to and there are let's say name and city. There are two variables, and here you have printed the city, like whatever the value of the city is you have printed. This is the existing one. Okay, and what else? Name. Okay, let me close this. Okay, you what? This is the old function. This is the old class, B Kotlin class, and there are two variables, name and city, and you are printing city here. This is the existing old code. Okay, now I want to use that features. Moreover, I want to print the name as well. So initially there are no method which are printing the name. You can see in this existing code we are only printing the city, so we forgot to add the name. Okay, and right now we need to print the name as well, but I don't want to touch this class because this is an existing and I don't want to take the risk of making some changes in this class and something get broken somewhere else. Okay, so kind of you can take it as a legacy kind of code. So you want to improve legacy code a bit, but you are afraid to touch the existing legacy code. Okay, so that is the best case for this particular feature extension. So what I will do, I will create a this class extension function.kt, any name you can give. Okay, uh, you have written a function, main function, and okay, and what you have done here, you have written this is the extension function basically. How I am writing extension function is using the class of old legacy code b Kotlin class dot print name. This is my new method. Uh, and the format is class name dot new method name, and this is called the extension function. Print name will be the extension function because print name is not present inside this class. We have added a new function print name. I'm doing something, I'm printing the name here. Okay, and this is the extension function for this class. Okay, and in this class what I'm using, I've simply created a function main method. I have created the object of that class, Kotlin class old legacy code. I have created the object here, and in object I am adding the city as Delhi. I have initialized city with Delhi, and I'm calling the print city, and print city is where it is. Print city is the existing code which I am calling. This is a print city. Okay, so nothing new till here. I have created the object. I have added initialized city with Delhi, and I am printing city name. That's it. Okay. After that, calling the extension function. What I am doing with the same object, I am calling the print name. Okay, but print name is not present in that class. Print name is present somewhere else, like present in this class. Okay, and this is the extension function. So I'm calling this print name. After that, what I'm doing again, I'm adding some name. So let's see. Initial name is Apple. So Apple will be printed here. After that, I'm changing the name to Mango, and again I'm calling the extension function print name, and this time the value should get changed. Okay, so this is the existing code I'm calling with existing name, which is Apple, predefined in the legacy code, and I have modified that legacy code from here, and after that again I am calling the extension function. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Let me run and we'll again go through the code. Okay, let's go one by one. City is Delhi. So city has been initialized with Delhi. Initially, city is null here in this case, and in this method we have added something else, but we are not concerned about this as of now. Okay, we can even comment this out because we are not using as of now. Okay, and we can comment all this code because we are not using. Even we can comment the complete main method. Okay, so now this is the exact legacy code, like name and city. City is null, and I am printing the city here. So let me rerun the code once again so we can compare the output. See, city is, we have created the object. I'm telling you one more time because this is a bit confusing concept. I'm creating an object of legacy class, and I initialized city with Delhi. I called the setter, and here I am calling the print city. So print city will be printed as Delhi. After that the sys out, and after that what I'm directly calling the print name. So print name will be called, and print name is present in this legacy code. City will be printed city, and what is the city is Apple. Apple is the city. So Apple has been printed. After that I have renamed name variable to mango, and after that again I am calling the print method, and print method is written inside outside the legacy class. This is legacy class, and print this method is defined in extension function.kt, some other class basically, and this way mango has been printed. So I hope this is clear. Just to confirm you again, this is the legacy class having only one method, and I need one more method of this class, but I don't want to touch this class. So I have created that method outside the class, but I need to use the class name. So by this class name, Kotlin come to know, okay, this method belong to this class, and this method does not belong to extension function. Okay, so this method, so now this class has two method. One is the extension function, which is print name, and one is the normal function, which is defined inside the class. I hope this is clear. This feature is clear to you. Extension function, the meaning of extension, and the usage of extension function in some particular case only. So I hope this is clear, and let's see you in the next chapter.